What is up, you guys? Pete DeCarlo here with DeCarlo Capital, and today we're talking about Facebook. Facebook is up 4.61%. I ended up taking a position on it, and so I want to go over in this video where I see this thing going and why I think we are going to see a continued push up, potentially up to $235, maybe even $240. So hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, guys, hit the notification bell because all these videos are time sensitive. Check out our Discord, is completely free. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as a ton of other free trades. I put out 2 free trades yesterday, and probably gonna throw one out later on today. Link is in the description. You guys get access to a ton of stuff. Go ahead and check it out. Now, looking at this, I posted about this yesterday within the Discord talking about Facebook. We were talking about this descending wedge that we were looking at, and we were looking at the 30-minute time frame for this. The 30-minute time frame is really what I was watching, and you can see right here yesterday at 2:33 p.m. 30-minute Facebook in a wedge. Today at 9:14 update, Facebook wedge from yesterday, still in this wedge, becoming a bit to life. RSI is pointing up now, big resistance on that 22 EMA. And you can see since then, Facebook with a big push went through the 22 EMA. RSI pointing up, not even overbought yet, still at 58. MACD histogram looking good. And it seems like, look at this big volume bar that we have here. It seems like we could probably see Facebook try to run here at 230 up to about $237. So I have some March calls. I'm currently up right now about $257. The exact position that I have is 318, 230 calls, up about 232. I was down about $800. Now, I do think we will see Facebook continue to rally up to 237, 236. I'll be looking to sell potentially tomorrow at about 233, see if we can get this continued run. But the question here stands, is this going to be a full-on recovery? You know, maybe over the next couple of weeks, could we see a pushback up to 290? Or could this potentially be a dead cat bounce? Because those earnings were pretty bad. Looking at Facebook here on a weekly time frame, one of my favorite things to do, you can see here we bounce off of support at 210 very, very well. And now we're really trying to hold the 200-day SMA. And I honestly think we will. If this wasn't such a strong company, I would say, all right, this may be a dead cat, we might drop. I think we're going to hold, and I think that potentially over the next couple of weeks, we could see Facebook try to run at least a 240, maybe 250, but I think we're going to have some resistance around $260. As of right now, it is looking pretty good. I'm only looking for that quick little move, like I said, up to about 235, 236, and then I'll probably be looking to take my profits. But overall, Facebook looks really good. And if you go back and watch the video I made a couple of days ago, I did actually end up buying some of Facebook for long term. So I ended up going in with, it was only about a $7,000 position, which I didn't end up getting too much in, but I did end up averaging down a little bit. So I'm holding some long term. I plan to continue to hold some more long term. And I really like this company, as you guys know. I think the earnings were really bad, but I was talking with my mentorship group this morning. And what you have to realize is I think fundamentally Facebook understands that the room for growth with social media is just not there anymore. It's really hard to grow nearly $1 trillion company at the scale that they want to. So now they're really focusing on the metaverse. They're pivoting the company, not caring, I think, so much about social media. And we saw this happen with Apple back in like 2018, 2019, where with Apple, you know, they realize like they can't sell that many more phones. They're still going to continue to hopefully grow, but the exponential growth of selling iPhones has gotten worse and worse simply because, they're more technologically advanced, which means that they're more technology proof. It doesn't mean that you just need a new one after a couple of, months or 2 years. The technology year over year is not as crazy as it was. So they switch more to wearables. They switch more to service. They offer credit cards now, a bunch more. And I think we're seeing that happen with Facebook at this moment as well. Just like we've seen Amazon pivot as well. They're not just a shipping and receiving company. They're so much more. They're a cloud service company. They own grocery stores, pharmacies. It's so much is happening. And so I think the same situation is going to happen with Facebook. And I think that while earnings took a beat, I really think over the next 2 years, you'll do very, very well with this company. I'll keep you guys posted. Let me know if you need anything. Shoot me a comment. And thanks for all the support, guys. Have a great day. Peace.